In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your IP address on a Windows computer. This is an essential skill, whether you're troubleshooting network issues or setting up a new device on your network. So let's dive right in. Firstly, we'll begin by navigating to your Windows settings. To do this, you can either click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen or simply press the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the Start menu is open, look for the gear icon, which stands for Settings, and click on it. This will open up a new window, which is your gateway to customizing and configuring your Windows operating system. Now that we're in the Settings window, you'll see various options like System, Devices, and so on. But for now, our focus is going to be on Network and Internet. In the Settings window, look for the Network and Internet option and click on it. This section is particularly important because it contains all the settings related to your internet connection, ensuring you're always connected to the web with ease. Once you've clicked on that, you'll arrive at a new screen that displays a plethora of options related to your network settings. Now, with the Network and Internet section open, you'll want to click on the properties of the network you're currently using, whether it's a wired Ethernet connection or wireless Wi-Fi. Clicking on Properties will reveal various details about your connection, including your IP address. An IP address is, in essence, your computer's unique identifier on the network, acting like a home address that other devices use to find you. You'll notice a list of properties ensue containing information about your network connection. Among these, you'll find your computer's IP address. It's usually a string of numbers separated by dots. Take note, seeing your IP address doesn't require making any changes here. We're just identifying it. Make sure to position your window carefully if you wish to maintain privacy and avoid showing your complete address to others. And there you have it. Just like that, we found your IP address with minimal hassle and in only a few easy steps. Remember to close the settings window when you're done to keep your workspace tidy. Understanding these basics can really help you manage and troubleshoot your network more effectively. Thank you for joining me in today's guide in finding your IP address on a Windows device. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. If you did, don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel for more how-to guides and tech tips designed to make your life easier. Stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.